My name's Kate and this is my mum Tina and my dad Mark, and we have over 100 cats at our house at the moment.
In the first lockdown we realised that there was a real problem there and that cats didn't really have anywhere to go. And we got a call from a farm. They were overrun with cats and didn't know what to do. So we rescued 18 straight away one day, and that's where it all began.
You want some beef, Bruno? Is that a yes?
Now I have 103 cats. I've got 5 pregnant mums, and we know that by the end of November I will probably have 200 cats here. We've sold a property, we've sold our car, we've sold even my wedding ring, just to get money for the place, but we have nothing else to actually sell. This is my life forever. I won't do anything else. This is all I want to do.